Good morning, professor in our college. She is going to conduct the session on recurrence relation. So I would like to invite you, ma'am, for today's session, and I am going to hand over the session to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Please continue with your session.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will study recurrence relation. Recurrence means recursive in nature or appearing again or occurring. The simplest form of recurrence relation is the next term is depends on first term. For example, A0, A1, A2, AN minus 1, AN, and so on. The general form of recurrence relation is AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus AN minus 2 for N is greater than or equal to 2 with initial conditions A0 is 0 and A1 is equal to 1. Here, the largest term is n and smallest term is n minus 2. Using this form to find the order of the recurrence relation. To find the order is equal to largest term means largest subscription minus lowest subscription. Here largest subscription is n, that is n minus 2. n minus 2, that is the lowest subscription. N minus 2, open the bracket, that is n minus n plus 2. Plus n minus n get cancelled, 2. Means order of this equation is 2. With initial conditions, A0 is 0, A1 is 1. Using A0 and A1 to calculate A2, A3, A4 and so on using the rules. First to find A2. A2 is equal to A1 plus A0. The value of A1 is 1. A0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. We get A2. Similarly, to calculate A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus A1. The value of A2 is 1. A1 is 1. That is 2. A4 is equal to A3 plus A2. A3 is 2. A2 is 1 is 3. Similarly, A5 is equal to A4 plus A3. A4 plus A3. A4 is 3 and the value of A3 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, the sequence A1, A2, A3. The value of A1 is 1, A2, 1, A3, 2, A3, 2, A4, 3, A5, 5, and so on. And this sequence is known as Fibonacci sequence. Thus, important thing is the standard form of recurrence relation is A is equal to A minus 1 plus A minus 2 with initial conditions A0 is 0 and A1 is 1. Next point is linear difference equation. Linear difference equation of linear recurrence relation. The equation of linear recurrence relation is of the form C0 means C suffix 0 AR plus C1 AR minus 1 plus C2 AR minus 2 plus up to Cn AR minus n is equal to f of y. This is equation 1. Here C0, C1, C2, C3 up to Cn or Cp. C0, C1, C2, C3 up to Ck all are real constant. Remember, C0, C1, C2, C3 up to Ck all are real constant and Ck is not equal to 0. This is known as linear recurrence relation with constant coefficient. परत एकदा सांगते लक्ष द्या. The equation of linear recurrence relation is of the form C0 means C suffix 0, A suffix AR. We read as C0 AR plus C1 AR minus 1, C2 AR minus 2 up to Ck AR minus 1 is equal to f of r C0, C1, C2 up to Ck all are real constant and Ck is not equal to 0. There are two types of linear recurrence relation. First is homogeneous recurrence relation and second one is non-homogeneous recurrence relation. First is homogeneous recurrence relation. If f of r is equal to 0, f of r is equal to 0, then given equation is known as homogeneous. Means put f of r is equal to 0 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes C0 AR plus C1 AR minus 1 plus C2 AR minus 2 plus Ck AR minus k is equal to f of r. But the value of f of r is 0. This equation is known as homogeneous recurrence relation. Means it does not f of r means it does not contain in r, and non-homogeneous means if f of r is not equal to 0. F of r is not equal to 0, therefore this equation is known as non-homogeneous equation. To solve non-homogeneous equation means to find complete solution, complete recurrence relation. Complete recurrence relation is denoted by A suffix r and is equal to AR raised to H plus AR raised to AR is known as recurrence relation. ARH means homogeneous recurrence relation and ART means particular solution. Means homogeneous equation plus particular solution is equal to recurrence relation. Homogeneous means f of r is 0. Non-homogeneous means f of r is not equal to 0. Okay. Next is solution of homogeneous recurrence relation. We know that the standard form of homogeneous equation. Standard form of homogeneous equation is C0 AR plus C1 AR minus 1 plus C2 AR minus 2 plus up to Ck AR minus K is equal to 0. This is the standard form of homogeneous recurrence relation. To solve this equation means first find the characteristics equation of homogeneous solution by putting AR is equal to alpha raised to r. Here alpha is a constant. Similarly, to find AR minus 1 means only replace r by r minus 1. समजते हैं? आपण काय फाइंड करतोय? To find the solution of homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation given असणार आहे. First to find its characteristics equation by using AR is equal to alpha raised to r. Similarly, equation of AR minus 1 is alpha raised to r minus 1. मी काय केलंय? फक्त रिप्लेस केलंय r by r minus 1. A raised to r minus 2 is alpha raised to r minus 2 and so on. And putting this value in homogeneous equation. T0 AR, the value of AR is alpha raised to r plus C1. AR minus 1 is alpha raised to r minus 1 plus C2. AR minus 2 is alpha raised to R minus 2 plus CK. AR minus K is alpha raised to R minus K is equal to 0. And dividing through by lowest term. Here the lowest term is alpha raised to R minus K. Dividing through by R minus, that is C0 into alpha raised to R dividing by alpha raised to R minus K. That is alpha raised to R dividing by alpha raised to R minus K means R minus R plus R minus R will cancel. That is alpha raised to K plus C1 into alpha raised to R minus K divided by alpha raised to R minus K. That is R minus 1 minus R plus K means alpha raised to K minus 1 plus C2 alpha raised to K minus 2 up to Ck is equal to 0. And this equation is known as characteristics equation. This equation is known as characteristics equation. Characteristics equation of 1. This is the equation. And solve this characteristics root. Solve this characteristics root means to find the value of alpha. And here alpha is known as roots of characteristics equation. There are two cases. Case 1 is if the roots are real and distinct or real and different. Roots are real and different means if alpha is equal to alpha 1 and alpha is equal to alpha 2, then its solution is recurrence relation is AR is equal to A alpha 1 raised to R plus B into alpha 2 raised to R. If the roots are real and distinct, that is real and different, therefore solution if alpha is equal to alpha 1, alpha is equal to alpha 3, alpha 2, similarly alpha is equal to alpha 3 up to nth term, alpha is equal to alpha n. Therefore solution is A into alpha 1 raised to R, alpha 1 means first root, plus B into alpha 2 raised to R, alpha 2 that is the second root, up to and so on. Here A and B are real constant. Case number 2. Case 2 is real repeated roots. Real repeated roots. If alpha is equal to alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2 and next root is alpha is equal to alpha 2. Real repeated roots. Alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2 and last root is different. Therefore its solution is, its recurrence relation is A suffix R is equal to A plus BR into alpha 1 raised to R or alpha 2 raised to R because roots are repeated. Plus non-repeated root is alpha 2 plus alpha 3 into or constant C into alpha 3 raised to R. We get the solution of real repeated roots. If roots are real and different, therefore its solution is A alpha 1 raised to R plus B alpha 2 raised to R. If roots are real and repeated, alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2 and last root is different, therefore its solution is A plus BR alpha 1 raised to R or alpha 2 raised to R. कारण दोन्ही रूट्स काय सेम आहेत. तुम्ही अल्फा 1 डिनोट केलं और अल्फा 2 डिनोट केलं तरी चालणार. प्लस C into alpha 3 raised to R. Important thing is first to find order, degree, characteristics, roots and using characteristics equation to find the roots. If the roots are real and different or if roots are real and repeated. examples on recurrence relation. First one is solve the recurrence relation. AR is equal to 6 AR minus 1 minus 8 AR minus 2 with initial conditions A0 is 0 and A1 is equal to 4 to solve the recurrence relation. First, to find characteristics equation of recurrence relation. And initial conditions are given A0 and A1 is equal to 4. How to calculate characteristics equation? Put AR is equal to alpha raised to R. First, convert this equation into homogeneous. Homogeneous equation is AR minus 6 AR minus 1 plus 8 AR minus 2 is equal to 0. We get the homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation म्हणजे f of r ची व्हॅल्यू जर f of r म्हणजे गिवन रिकरन्स रिलेशन मध्ये वन टर्म ऍड असेल कॉन्स्टंट असेल किंवा इन टर्म्स ऑफ r असेल तर ते इक्वेशन काय असणार आहे नॉन होमोजेनियस. Solve this equation means reduce this equation to characteristics equation by putting AR is equal to alpha raised to r AR minus 1 is equal to alpha raised to r minus 1. AR minus 2 is alpha raised to r minus 2. Therefore, homogeneous equation is alpha raised to r minus 6. AR minus 1 is alpha raised to r minus 1 plus 8. AR minus 2 is alpha raised to r minus 2 is equal to 0. Next step is dividing throughout by alpha raised to r minus 2. That is alpha raised to r divided by alpha raised to r minus 2. We get alpha square. Minus 6. Alpha raised to r minus 1 divided by alpha raised to r minus 2. Base same है power की addition. R minus 1 minus r plus 2. Plus r minus r get cancel. Minus 1 plus 2. That is alpha. Plus 8 is equal to 0. We get the characteristics equation of homogeneous equation. And solve this characteristics equation means to find its roots. This is the quadratic equation. To find two numbers, their product is plus 8 and sum is minus 6. Therefore, roots are minus 4, minus 2. That is alpha square minus 4 alpha minus 2 alpha. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 and product is minus 4 into minus 2 is 8. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Consider first term. Here common term is alpha. In bracket alpha minus 4. Consider last two terms. The common काय out. Here common term is minus 2. Minus 2 into alpha minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha minus 4 into alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 4 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 4 is equal to 0 and alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 4 is 0, therefore the value of alpha is 4 and alpha minus 2 is 0, therefore alpha is equal to 2. And these roots are real and different. Roots are real and different. And we know that if the roots are real and different, therefore its solution is a into alpha 1 raised to r plus b into alpha 2 raised to r. First root is denoted by alpha 1, second root is denoted by alpha 2. Therefore, AR is equal to A into alpha 1 is 4 raised to r, plus B into alpha 2. Alpha 2 means second root. The value of second root is 2. 2 raised to r. We get the solution in terms of two arbitrary constant a and b. To find the value of arbitrary constant a and b by using the initial conditions. Here initial conditions are a0 is 0 and a1 is 4. First put r is equal to 0. First initial condition is a0 is equal to 0. त्याच्याबरोबर कंपेअर करणार आहात तुम्ही a suffix r बरोबर म्हणजे r ची व्हॅल्यू इथे काय आली 0 means put r is equal to 0 in second equation. a0 is equal to a into 4 raised to r, the value of r is 0 plus b into 2 raised to r, but a0 is 0, 0 is equal to a0 is 0, 0 is equal to a into 4 raised to 0. We know that something raised to 0 is always 1, that is a plus b into 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0 is 1, that is a plus b is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. Second initial value is a1 is equal to 4. A1 is equal to 4 in second equation. A1 is 4. That is R is equal to 4 in second equation. A1 is equal to A into 4 raised to R. R is 1 plus B into 2 raised to R. R is 1. But the value of A1 is 4. That is 4 is equal to 4a plus 2b. This is the equation number 4. And solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Multiply equation 3 by 2 or 4. That is 2a plus 2b is equal to 0 and fourth equation 5 है 4a plus 2b is equal to 4. Opposite signs 2a minus 4a minus 2a plus 2b minus 2b get cancel is equal to 0 minus 4 minus 4. 2a is equal to 4, therefore the value of a is 2. We get one arbitrary constant. Putting the value of a is equal to 2 in any one of the equation, third or fourth, कुठे तुम्ही put up करू शकता. Put a is equal to 2 in third equation. Putting this value in equation 3, therefore equation 3 gives 0 is equal to 2 plus b. Therefore the value of b is minus 2. We get two arbitrary constant a and b. And putting this value in second equation, we get the solution of homogeneous recurrence relation. Therefore your recurrence relation is AR is equal to capital A, capital A and B are arbitrary constant. The value of capital A is 2. 2 into 4 raised to R plus B minus 2 into 2 raised to R. We get the solution of homogeneous recurrence relation. Now, second example is for homogeneous recurrence relation. an is equal to or an is minus 7 an minus 1 plus 10 an minus 3 is equal to 0 with initial conditions a0 is 0 and a1 is equal to 3. Then question to solve the recurrence relation. Given first we check equation is homogeneous recurrence or not. This is an homogeneous recurrence relation. Convert homogeneous recurrence relation into characteristics equation. By putting an is equal to alpha raised to r. An minus 1 is alpha 1 raised to r minus 1, and an minus 2 means alpha raised to n minus 2. Here 10 into a raised to n minus 2. Correction. Homogeneous recurrence relation is an minus 7 an minus 1 plus 10 an minus 2 is equal to 0. First step, first find order and degree. Order means highest subscription minus lowest subscription. Here highest subscription means a suffix n minus lowest subscription is n minus 2. N minus 2. Open the bracket. N minus n plus 2. Therefore, order of the given equation is 2. And to find degree. Here, the power of a raised to n is 1. The power of n minus 1 is 1. And the power of n minus 2 is 1. So, all terms power काय आहे 1. Power 1 means given equation is an linear. Degree is 1. Linear means power is 1. That is degree is 1. That is linear homogeneous equation. Order means highest subscription minus lowest subscription. And next step is to find characteristics equation by putting an is equal to alpha raised to r, n minus 1 is equal to alpha raised to r minus 1, n minus 2 is equal to alpha raised to r minus 2. n is alpha raised to r minus 7. n minus 1 is alpha raised to r minus 1 plus 10 alpha raised to r minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, lowest term is alpha raised to r minus 2. Means dividing throughout by lowest term. That is dividing throughout by alpha raised to r minus 2. Alpha raised to r divided by alpha raised to r minus 2 plus r minus r it cancel. That is alpha square. Minus 7. Alpha raised to r minus 1 divided by alpha raised to r minus 2. That is alpha raised to r minus 1 minus r plus 2. Plus r minus r get cancel. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Plus 10 is equal to 0. We get the characteristics equation, that is the quadratic equation. And to find the roots of this equation. To find two numbers, their product is plus 10 and sum is minus 7. That is minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 5 into 2, 10. And sum is minus 7. Means minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Therefore, roots are alpha minus 5 into alpha minus 2 is 0. Therefore, the values of alpha are 5 and 2. And these values are real and different. Roots are real and different. Therefore, its solution is AR is equal to A into alpha 1 raised to R plus B into alpha 2 raised to R. Here alpha 1 and alpha 2 means roots of the characteristics equation. First root is denoted by alpha 1 and second root is denoted by alpha 2. Therefore, AR is equal to A into alpha 1 is 2 or 5 in even number 2 raised to R plus B into alpha 2 is 5 raised to R. We get the homogeneous recurrence relation in terms of arbitrary constant A and B. To find complete solution means to evaluate the value of A and B using the initial conditions. Initial conditions are A0 is 0 and A1 is equal to 3. First put A0 is equal to 0 in equation 1. Means first put R is equal to 0. Put R is equal to 0 in 1. R is equal to 0 in 1. Therefore, A0 is equal to A into 2 raised to 0 plus B into 5 raised to 0. 1 minute. Madam, दोन्ही संपले. Put R is equal to 0 in equation 1. R is 0 means A0 is equal to A into 2 raised to R. R is 0 plus B into 5 raised to R, that is 5 raised to 0. But the value of A0 is 0. 0 is equal to A plus B. So equation number 2. Second initial value is A1 is equal to 3. Put R is equal to 3 in first equation. R is equal to 1 in first equation. R is 1, we get A1 is equal to A into 2 raised to 1 plus B into 5 raised to 1. But the value of A1 is 3. 3 is equal to 2A plus 5B. Say equation 3. Solving equation 2 and 3 simultaneously. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. PCM ना याला ॲग्रिगेट म्हणताय का CET ला म्हणताय 145 open and 140 category. 2A plus 5 is 3. Solving equation 2 and 3 simultaneously means multiplying equation 2 by 2. 2A plus 2B is 0 and 2A plus 5B is equal to 0. Solving this equation, opposite sign, plus 2A minus 2A get cancelled. Minus 5B plus 2B is minus 3B is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of B is 1. Putting the value of B is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 in second equation. Therefore, equation 2 becomes A plus 1 is 0. Therefore, the value of A is minus 1. We get two arbitrary constant A and B. And putting the value of A and B in equation 1, we get the solution of homogeneous recurrence relation. Got it? Next type is non-homogeneous recurrence relation. We know that the standard form of non-homogeneous recurrence relation. Non-homogeneous recurrence relation is A0 C0 AR plus C1 AR minus 1 plus C2 AR minus 2 plus C3 AR minus K is equal to F of R. This equation is known as non-homogeneous recurrence relation. f of r contains in r or constant term. Homogeneous means f of r ची काय घेतली आपण 0 and f of r is not equal to 0 is known as non-homogeneous recurrence relation. Using non-homogeneous recurrence relation to find complete solution. Complete solution means AR is equal to A suffix R raised to H plus A suffix R raised to P. H means AR is equal to ARH plus ARP. ARH means solution of homogeneous recurrence relation and P means particular solution. Homogeneous solution plus particular solution, we get the complete solution, that is AR. There are some cases for finding non-homogeneous equation. First one is, if this is f of r, first column, and so second column is its particular solution. First, if f of r is constant, f of r is constant. Constant means any value, minus 1, 2, 3, plus 5, plus 7, minus 47, minus 99, or minus 110, or 200. Means if f of r is constant, therefore its particular solution is P. Its particular solution is P means to evaluate the value of P. Second case, if f of r is constant or the value of alpha is 1. F of r is constant or the value of alpha is 1 or multiple of n, then its particular solution is P into RH to n. Third case is beta, if f of r is beta h to r and alpha is not equal to beta. Alpha means root of the characteristics equation and beta means the value of f of r, that is f of r. If f of r is beta h to r and condition is alpha is not equal to beta, then its particular solution is P beta h to r. Fourth, beta h to r, f of r is equal to beta h to r and alpha is equal to beta. Therefore, its solution is P beta h to r into RH to n. समजताय? Got it? बघा, last two cases. If f of r is beta h to r, condition काय आहे तिथे? Alpha is not equal to beta. F of r is equal to beta h to r, alpha is not equal to beta. Therefore, its particular solution is P into beta h to r. And last condition is f of r is equal to beta h to r, but condition is alpha is equal to beta. And its solution is P beta h to r into RH to n. These are the cases for finding particular solution. First is f of r is constant, therefore its particular solution is P. Second, f of r is constant or the value of alpha is 1. Alpha ची व्हॅल्यू 1 असेल तर त्याचं पर्टिक्युलर सोल्युशन काय येणार आहे? P into RH to n. Second is f of r is beta h to r and alpha is not equal to beta. Alpha is not equal to beta, therefore its solution is P beta h to r into RH to n. Now to solve one example of non-homogeneous equation. Solve. Now write down homework. होमवर्क सॉल्व करा. काही प्रॉब्लेम आला तर सांगा. मी याचे नोट्स तांबे मॅडम कडे देते. तांबे मॅडम तुम्हाला शेअर करतील. Question same. Solve the recurrence relation. AR minus 2AR minus 1 plus AR minus 2 is equal to 1. This is a non-homogeneous equation. Second, AR is equal to 6 AR minus 1 minus 9 AR minus 2 with initial conditions A0 is 1 and A1 is equal to 6.
Okay, thank you. On behalf of IT department, I would like to say thank you, ma'am. Thank you for conducting such an informative session on recurrence relation. Post your attendance in chat box. Roll number 1 to 10.
मॅम
Yes.
मॅम युनिट टेस्ट कधी आहे आमची?
अटेंडन्स झालं की सांगते ना मॅम.
ओके ओके
11 to 20.
आपला एवढा आवाज येतो की इथपर्यंत मॅडम?
Twenty-one to 30. Thirty-one to 40. याचा 41 to 50. Sixty-one to 70. Seventy onwards.